How to accept group request in Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can accept group request in Roblox. So for that, you need to first launch your web browser and then go to roblox.com and log into your specific account. Now, once you're in the homepage of Roblox, just simply go ahead and click on this chat option that you will find in the bottom of the screen and simply select the group that you want to manage. Now go to its settings, that is chat details, scroll down, and then go to the members section. If you have manual approval enabled, you will see request button and you will see a list of pending requests over there. Simply click on accept under each person's name to approve them individually or click on accept all to approve everyone. So hope this helps. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.